Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you extraction of data and updation of data. In technical terms, it is called as write back. I recommend you to watch my previous videos in which we have extracted the data. In my last video of integration, I have shown you how to extract the data. In this video, we will make changes in Excel sheet and then we will make some update and then we will hit a button and that Python command will write back in the NetSuite. Let me show you some example. See here. Suppose take a scenario manager wants to see and update the recent few sales order remaining to be fulfilled only through Excel. Now again, we need some configuration here. Python should be installed on the person whosoever is using that Excel sheet. All necessary libraries should be installed in it and RESTlet link. RESTlet link will be given by NetSuite developer. Python developer will connect that API with Python and then that Python command will be connected with Excel sheet. Okay, so let me show you with some example here. Here we need two developers. Okay, now see here. If I click on this get sales order data, in our last video, we have created this button. Now I am going to hit this button and this button, after clicking this, one Python command will be executed in the command prompt. And that Python command will extract the data from NetSuite. And that NetSuite data will be populated in this Excel sheet. Now see here. If I show you, here you will see the annotation to be shipped today. These are the 4 records. I have extracted only 4 records. For example, see here, 4 records are there, sales orders. These are 4 sales orders. Document number means sales order number. And if I show you, here it is, to be shipped today. Now, in this 4, suppose if I want to make change, like okay, now I make some changes here. In annotation, we can write anything. And now I'm going to hit the buttons update. Now see here, in the customize tab, this tab we have created and we have given this tab to the user. Now update. Now I'm going to hit this button and immediately this complete data will be sent to here. Here to be shipped today is written, but now I have made changes here tomorrow. Okay. And now I'm going to hit this save button, update button. Okay. Now I'm going to hit this. And in this way, this command is executed now. Now let's see here. See here, to be shipped today is written and we have written to be shipped tomorrow. Now I'm going to make change. I'm going to refresh this. That's it. I just refreshed this page. And that complete change will be reflected here in the saved search. Look at this. To be shipped tomorrow. What we have written here? To be shipped today. And we have changed it to tomorrow. Now, how it is done? So for this, we need one Python script. Here is the Python script and one NetSuite RESTlet script. RESTlet script we will hand over to Python developer. Here is the Python script, what he has done. This is the URL, this is the token ID, and then you see here, first of all, if you see ID, document, amount, customer, and annotation. Here you see this ID is it is written in the Excel sheet, but we have to map the IDs of NetSuite with this. So what we have written, this is ID means it is the ID of written in NetSuite. Document. But in NetSuite, it is called as transaction ID. That is the TRAN ID. Amount, customer name, entity is written in NetSuite. Annotation means memo. So we have mapped these keywords with the ID of NetSuite. And then we have executed commands, and then with the help of pandas and some data science concept, we have submitted into the NetSuite. Similarly, in NetSuite, we have created one racelet. If I show you this racelet here, this link has been provided to Python developer, this link. And this link, with the help of this link, it will connect with Python and NetSuite. Both will be connected with each other, and then command will be executed. So in this way, this type of requirement is frequently raised in many projects. So that's why I recommend you to practice on this. And if you face any difficulty, then you can write down in the comment box. I will resolve them. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.